Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a day in the life vlog, something like that. So this is gonna be my official first vlog, and I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to go fix my AC in the car. I also have to do my nails, and maybe I'll go thrift store shopping. So come with me and see how the day goes. So I'm finished fixing my AC, and what a relief, what a relief. I don't have to be burning up in my car, and that feels so good, so good. Took a little time, maybe like 2 hours. 2 hours, yeah, about 2 hours to get it fixed. So right now I'm very hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm thinking of getting a dragon fruit lemonade refresher from Dunkin' Donuts, and I don't know what I'm gonna have with that. Maybe Taco Bell's.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. Would you like to order our nacho fries?
Oh no, not today. But can I have 2 chicken quesadilla with avocado and spicy mustard?
2 chicken quesadillas and guac and spicy ranch, okay?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, can I have the dragon fruit with lemonade refresher? Large. Oh, that's all. So I'm stopped at the side of the road because I was starving. I am starving. So I decided to stop and have a bite. So this is my chicken quesadilla, and I have my dragon fruit lemonade refresher. Delicious. Okay guys, so this is where we are today. We are at Island Thrift, and the entrance is around the back. Ready.
31 thank you.
These over here, more necklaces. Look at these, very nice. Got a watches down here. Plenty of other watches over here too. Look at these rings. Like something like an Indian outfit. I like the color, but not my style. Yeah, these are definitely Indian there. These are the bags that they have. I don't really see anything in the bags that I would buy. Okay guys, so it's a nice bright sunny day and this is my backyard. Beautiful day, beautiful outside. And guys, this is the little garden that I have here. There's nothing in there right now except that's a strawberry plant, and I have 3 more over here in pots. Yeah, I planted these last year and they are growing quite lovely. Vegetables and fruits that I have to plant in the garden. And I saw that they had like these onions, so I'm gonna plant these instead. And right here I have thyme. So I have watermelon, I have onions. This right here is a pepper. I think it's a hot pepper. Doesn't seem to be thriving that much. I mean, seems to be the same size as when I planted it. So these are watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Pepper in this row right here are onions. And also there's some in the front as well. All right, I got a tomato, and that is a cucumber. All right, and also at the end right here I have strawberries, and I also have a few of them in the pots as well. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. I went ahead and I pulled out most of the weeds, and you could see the big difference. Okay. And I just noticed that my strawberries, they're being eaten up by insects. I don't know. I don't know if it's the birds or the insects. Okay guys, I also have some thyme. And look at this. It is really thriving. I have a whole lot of thyme on here. I like to cook with fresh thyme or fresh rosemary. And this is looking so good. And this is the English thyme. Yeah, they're pretty fast. Wow. Yeah, that was good.
Selden, 19.94, 19.94. New York State record is set at 9.54. Overtime in this contest is 20 seconds. Up to the lights, number 4, the Bay Shore Junior Redskins. Time for Bay Shore, 12.56, 12.
So what's up, beautiful people? So today's actually the following day, Sunday, and I'm here trying to teach my son how to drive. And yeah, so far it's going good. I'll be putting in or showing you guys clips of him actually driving. So yeah, I'm a proud mom. I am a proud mom. My son is actually 15 years old, and he's also excited to learn how to drive. So yeah, I'm happy for him.
Are you straighten those?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a turn.
Oh, don't want to.
I can't believe this is my son's first time driving. You're doing pretty good. Oh my God. Very good. Alright, you want to go back this way? Mm-hmm. Slow down, because we don't, you know, in case there's somebody.
I'm a father's son.
Right? And him love to drive fast though.
Alright, now I have to try slow down.
Alright, kinda if you're gonna turn, just trying to come more to this side. Yeah, and then we're gonna turn. Alright, start turning the wheels. Okay.
Slow down.
Slow down, yep.
Reverse.
Reverse. Wait. Look, practice. When you're reversing, it's the same thing as if you're gonna.
Oh, you did already straighten up, mommy.
No, but you have to turn the wheel first before you put your foot on the gas.
You can't like auto turn for me, look at it.
It doesn't matter. Turn.
I know that.
Ooh, road is so damn bumpy. Take time, Colin. I think you're driving a little bit too fast. Sometimes other car come inside the yard, you know, so you gotta be careful.
Yes.
You hear me? I said to slow down.
Okay, slow down.
See another car coming. It like a van is coming in.
I'll go to this
Slow
side.
down, yes. Which side? Is it coming inside here?
Yeah.
It's coming in? I saw a van. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I do a reverse.